Okay. Okay, children, good morning to everyone. So the schedule is having a change today. Instead of taking in afternoon, we are taking your morning class. Okay. Very good morning to all of you. So whatever we have learned so far in the last 2 days, we will do some 7 problems on that. So it will come in your mind. So assignment has been uploaded in your app. Please respond and tell. You got the assignment? Good. Good, Azam Ali Saif. Fine. Are you practicing that? Good. Fine. Very good. So anyway, keep doing all that. आज थोड़ा पहले हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. We will move ahead and discuss few more concepts about the straight line. So the question number 1. In 7 models, we will just sum up all that what we have learned. Then we will proceed further. See. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. I have a line which is passing through the coordinate 0, 5. So what is the equation of this line? Come on, dear children, respond me. This is the origin and a line is passing from the coordinate 0, 5. What is its equation? Assignment we will take later on. Just hold on. Let us give the time to everyone to solve it. Tomorrow we will take it. What is the equation of this line? Now, this line is parallel to the y-axis. So x coordinate is fixed everywhere. What is the x everywhere? 5. How far every point is from y-axis? 5. So equation of this line will be what? X equal to 5. Because you go anywhere on this line, x coordinate has been fixed. Copy kariye. It's not that slope cannot be defined. Property of this is the parallel to y-axis. So x coordinate is fixed. Okay. It is always 5. In the slope form, you need not to write it. Okay. For 0 and 90, we are not using the slope form. Okay. Right. So this is the first question. Next, if any line is parallel to the x-axis, suppose this is y-axis, this is the x-axis, line is passing through the coordinate 0, 4. Then what is the equation of this line? Tell me. This we discussed earlier as well. So here, what is this? Over this line, every point is having a fixed distance from the origin. What is that? 4 units. At all the points, y is 4. Yes, it's parallel to the x-axis. So what's the answer? Equation of the line is y equal to 4. Okay, copy this. So how are you feeling in the morning class today? Instead of taking in afternoon, it's good to take in morning. Is this or not, bacho? Right. So this is the second model. We will take all 7 models, then we will go for the next concept. Okay. Yes, morning sessions are good, beta, always. Particularly physics, it's better if the first period is of the physics, right? So shall I clean it now? Y equal to mx. No, there is not a slope like, because here you will not take the m, it's not making any angle. It is like a 0, will not give you any value. Okay, all points are at a fixed point. This equation will be y equals to 4. I told you in my first lecture. You can see that. When angles are there, prefer the m. See. Now the third question. All of you tell me the equation of this line. There is a line. Here are the coordinates 4√3, 4. Then what is the equation of this line? Come on, tell me. How to get it? This angle is suppose theta. Drop a normal. This is 4 root 3. And what is the y? 4. Then do you know what's the tan theta, dear children? Come on. Tan theta is how much? Perpendicular upon base. Means 4 upon 4 root 3. Finish. Is this or not? Right. So tan theta is 1 by root 3. Means m is 1 by root 3. That is the slope. Line is being passing through the origin. So equation is y equals to mx. It implies y is 1 by root 3x. Okay, so sometimes direct angle is not given, coordinates are given, then you will be using y is equal to mx. Okay, bacho? Right. But its lecture is under record. You can go back and see the first problem. Okay. You want my number? We will give. Don't worry. Mx is to be used when the line is passing through the origin, because when x is 0, y is 0. Mx plus c is to be used when line is having an intersection over the y-axis. Okay. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now, do you know, beta, what is the slope? Tan theta. Why you are this much confused? I don't know. Tan theta already we got 1 by root 3. Okay. Shall I clean it now? Right. Second, this is the third model, right? Number 4. Come on. मान लीजिए ये एक line है. I have a line in a Cartesian system which is passing through the coordinate 0, 6 and making an angle of 45 degrees. Tell me its equation. Come on, practice more. Jitna aap practice karoge, that is good for you. More we should practice. Okay. Yesterday the assignment given to you, and I think 27 problems were there. How many of you have solved the questions from that? Raise your hands. Okay, good. We will see what is the trouble that child is telling. 45. So here angle is 45. See, theta is 45 degree. What is the slope? Tan theta means tan 45. So slope is coming 1, the first step. Second, line is having a positive intersection at the y-axis. What I told you the equation in such case, mx plus c. So y will be m is 1, x plus value of intersection is 6. So this is the equation of this line. Okay, one is the slope m, tan theta. Any problem? Any problem? Then please text. Fine, good. Why it's -1? Angle is positive, no? 45. Right. Now you tell me another model. Question number 4. If I have a line, what is that? Y equal to 4x plus 5. This is the equation of this line. Okay, what you are seeing this line? Iska equation kya hai? 4x plus 5. Find A. What is the slope? What is the theta? Number C. Coordinates. This is like A point. This is like P point. So coordinates of points A and B. Solve it, please. Time is for you. Come on. 2 to 3 minutes you take and work out it. If a line is shown to you in a Cartesian system and its equation is given y equals to 4x plus 5, then find the following values: slope, angle, and coordinates of A point and P point, where the line will cut the axis. Jaldi karo, come on. 30 seconds are left. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 20, 15, 10. Answers are coming. Okay, good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Pens down. Now listen. Equation of the line was y equals to 4x plus 5. This is similar to y equals to mx plus c. Is this or not, bachcho? So by the comparison, intersection we have 5. So this coordinates 0, 5. Because y-axis पर क्या होता है x? 0. So x coordinate is 0. What is the y? Intersection. How much is that? 5. Now, second thing. So first is we got coordinates of P point. Answer of A, M. By the comparison, all of you can feel M is 4. Theta. So M is nothing but tan theta, which is 4. It implies that line is making how much angle? Tan inverse 4 with the plus x-axis. Is this or not? Yes. So now what is left? Yeah, khalas, over. We want the coordinates of P, over. Now what is our requirement, dear children? बोलिए, come on. अब हमें क्या चाहिए? We need coordinates of A. You know the line is cutting the point A on the x-axis. Bachcho, at the x-axis, what is the equation of x-axis? Y is 0 here. Is this or not? If y is 0, so how we can write? Since y is equal to 4x plus 5. That's the equation. So at x-axis, if I keep y 0, 4x is minus 5. So x coordinate is minus 5 by 4. It means coordinates of A point are 5 by 4 comma 0. Come on. Is this clear to you all? Okay. How many of you got this? Raise your hand. At least 100 members should raise the hand. कम से कम 100 बच्चे हाथ उठाएंगे. Come on. Done. Or at least text हो गया. Done, sir. Got it. Tejaswini, Shiva. Shabash, बच्चों. Nice. So this way we can get the coordinates of intersection points. At the y, just put the x 0. At the x, put the y 0. Come on, copy करिए इसको बच्चों. 1 minute for you. Got it. Done. Nice, good. So I think this way you can calculate where the line will cut axis, what is its slope, and what is the intersection. Right. Now, Once again, Kushmanjali is asking me, sir, एक बार दोबारा बताइए how to get the angle. See, bete, what is the slope? Here, m. Slope is 4 because equation of line का क्या था? What was the equation? mx plus c. This was the m. So m is 4. What is the m? It's called the slope. Slope is tan theta, which is 4. So theta is tan inverse 4. Means for what angle? Tan will have a value of 4. Okay. One more example you want, Bhavya? Fine. Come on, bachcho. So here is a question for you all. Suppose I have a line. Its equation is 4y is 3x plus 8. If this is the equation of this line, y-axis, x-axis, point A, point B, the line is cutting the y and x at A and B, then find number 1, slope, number 2, intersection. Intersection का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning, बच्चों? Tell me. C. Number 3, angle. Number 4, coordinates of A and B. Come on. Calculate. Don't be in a hurry, beta. Relax. आराम से करिए, कोई जल्दीबाजी नहीं है. We need not to go in the marriage of anyone. Okay? We will be here only. You may take 1 minute more, but answer must be right. That is more important, beta. It's not important how fast are you doing. It is important how much right you are doing. Your answer should be correct. My voice is clear. Are you getting my voice? Please text and confirm. Are you getting my voice? Okay, good. Nice. करिए आराम से. Take 1 minute. So this equation is 4 by 3x plus 8. Good. Many of you are getting right. Shabash, bachcho. Keep texting your answer. Good. 0,8. No, beta, Kusmanjali. Write in the standard form. 4 का divide करो उधर. Good. Shabash. Bhavya is right. No, slope is not 3, beta. 3 by 4 it is. Convert in the standard form. Y equals to mx. 4 का divide करिए पहले. First you have to divide 3 by 4. Nice. जल्दी करो थोड़ा fast. Okay, 1 minute is over. Now please hold on. Stop writing. Thamba बोले तो stop. Okay. See बच्चों. First we will create the space here because there is no space to solve it. Is this or not? Yes. Now this is the equation of line. We'll solve it in the different color. Go green. Okay. Being the equation of the line is this, you should divide it by the 4. If I divide it by the 4, 3 by 4x, 8 by 4, then how the equation of line will look like? 3 by 4x plus 2. Because whatever we have discussed, whatever the results we have derived are for y equals to mx plus c. Y should be without any coefficient. That is the first priority. So we must divide it by the 4. Y should be single. There must not be any coefficient. So now I can have a comparison. It looks like mx plus c. So bete, what is the c? At the place of c we have 2. At the place of m means coefficient of x is 3 by 4. So our first answer will be m is 3 by 4. M we can conclude the angle because m क्या होता है? Tan theta it is. Do you know if tan theta is 3 by 4? You may be knowing this triangle. It's 37, it's 53. So this angle will be 37. So now we got what? Two results, m and theta. Now what about the c? So not a problem. Intersect when the x is 0, what is the y? 2. Means the coordinate of a points are 0, 2. Okay. Now the coordinate of this point. ये क्या होते हैं basically? At this location on the x-axis, you know, y is 0. Okay. So we'll create a small space here. Shall I clean it? Yes. So basically its coordinates are c by m. So for the B point, y is 0. 3 by 4x plus 2. 3 by 4x is minus 2. It means bete x is minus 8 by 3. So coordinates of this point are minus 8 by 3 comma 0. Okay, Pavan Kumar? Yes, you are right. Gitanjali is also right. All our children are giving correct answer. Means you are getting. शाबाश बच्चों, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Any problem? Respond. वैसे मैं बड़े प्यार से पढ़ाता हूँ बच्चों को. Okay. Even if you are not getting, then you can ask me. Very good, very good. शाबाश. ठीक है. तो अब एक क्वेश्चन हम लेंगे. This we learn. Now we will go in the physics. How it will be applied in the physics. So note down a question with me. First you copy this. Yes, you can write tan inverse 3 by 4, but beta that is a defined angle already. Tan inverse 3 by 4 is 37 degrees. Okay. So how minus 8 by 3? 4 to the 8. 3 is divided. Because on the x-axis, y is 0. So I keep the 0. 3 by 4x plus 2. In general, I will tell you, 1 minute. So always if I summarize it step by step, so now you can make a star and learn it. Very important. Star bole to like twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. This is the A point. इसके कोऑर्डिनेट होते हैं 0, c. This is B for a line. mx plus c. इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? Minus c by m, comma 0 directly. Why? Because on the x-axis y is 0. C you take this side minus c. So it's minus c by m. Directly you can conclude. Okay, for any line, these are the points where the line will cut the x and y axis respectively. Come on, make a star. 2, 3, or like remark important. So you will not calculate it again and again. Okay, or 99% we are having this line in our syllabus for the upcoming syllabus. Physics में इसका सबसे ज्यादा इस्तेमाल होता है. This will be used 80% in the next 2 years syllabus. Okay, fine. आगे बढ़े फिर. Okay. पहले आप लिख लीजिए. Some of you may be writing. Hold on, Ali. Wait for 2 minutes. बेटा आ जाओ. Right. So now you please note down a question. Physics में कैसे use होता है? How this all is applied in physics? How the question will come? We will discuss that. Now you should learn this very well because next assignment will be in the physics. Means mathematics I will apply in the physics questions for graph. Question will be like this. If distance covered by an object depends upon time as s equal to 5t minus 10, then plot the curve between s and t, where s is to be taken on y-axis and time over the x-axis. Come on. यानी एक बॉडी है या कार है जो एक सरफेस पे जा रही है. Distance traveled by it depending upon the time as this manner. ओके ये काम करिए. पहले सिंपल देते हैं. +10 कर लीजिए. तो इसका ग्राफ खींच के बताइए मुझे. 2 minutes I am giving you बेटा. S को कहां लेना है? Y पर. और T को कहां लेना है? X एक्सिस पर. We'll give. Don't worry. Wait. Muskan, you make the graph beta. When I will solve, just cross check that. If distance covered by an object depends upon time as s is 5t plus 10, then plot the curve between distance and time. It will be mx plus c or mx minus c? Yes. It will be y equal to mx plus c graph. Yes. My dear children, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, देखो. We has been asked to take s on the y. So whatever is general the y, here we are having the distance. Whatever the general x, we are taking the time here. So now what does it mean? It looks like y equal to mx plus c. So graph कैसा होता है? mx plus c. Is this or not? Theta. This will be the graph. Now tell me, what are the coordinates? See, equation is 5t plus 10. So intersection is 10. And this is what just now I told you, c upon m minus. So it's c is 10, m is 5, minus 2 comma 0. Any problem? Good. So where the body was at t equal to 0, means in the beginning when the time was 0, body was at a distance of 10 meters. Okay. Any problem? Right. So this is the ST graph. Copy kariye. Slope and all you can find out because slope is what? 5. Means this is 10 theta of course. So theta will be what? 10 inverse 5. This kind of questions are coming. They will give you the one relation. They will ask how this graph will look like in the picture. Minus 2 how came? Beta, it's the equation of the line. Like y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so where it cuts the x-axis, I told you that in the slide before, minus c by m. C is 10, m is 5. So minus c by m is 10 by 5, minus 2. Okay, Shanmukh. More example? Yes, beta Priya, no problem. You take as many examples you want. I have thousands, millions and billions of examples. First you copy this, all of you. So it is a line y equals to mx plus c. So graph will be like this. So if we raise it, of course, time cannot be negative here. We are just asking you if we take the line back side where it will cut the time axis. However, it does not make any sense because time will be never negative. Time कभी negative होता है क्या? नहीं होता. Okay. So one more. Note down with me, all of you. Second question in physics only. How it will come? If force on a particle depends upon time as F equal to 3t minus 12, then curve between F and T. हमें अभी F और T के बीच का कर्व बनाना है. Okay. One child is asking me velocity time curve. Nimisha, beta, first we'll go step by step. That comes in kinematics, we will teach you, don't worry. Okay, we cannot jump off like this directly to the VT. That requires the differentiation. Acha, you tell me one thing, differentiation and integrations are over for you? Okay, so you know velocity from displacement and acceleration from velocity, how to get by differentiation? Is it done? हो गया आपका? Fine, ठीक है. Then we can go, no issues. So we want the plotting between F and T. Options I am giving you. Which graph will be correct? You would tell me. First, it will be like this, Ft. Second, it will be like this, force on the y and time on the x. Or it will be like 1 minute, one more option I have to create like this, or it can be like this. Which is the more correct representation? A force on a body depending upon time. Which is the right? D. Very good, very good. D for Delhi, D for Deepak sir. Nice. D is right. Why? Because we will conclude the two things, bacho. M is positive. M is positive because M kya hai? It looks like. First, you should feel in your mind what is the pattern of equation. Bapre, this is y equals to mx minus c because c is minus. Slope is m. X की जगह पर t है, means t is at the place of x and f is on the y. So now we can see m is being 3. Slope is positive. So negative slopes we will reject first. It cannot be because here angles are obtuse. Now these two are possible, but situation C is of course negative. Okay, so downside it should cut, not on the upper side. If it is the equation, it should be like plus sign here. So this is also rejected. So we are left with which one? D answer. Copy this, come on. Those who answered the D, they all children are right. We'll give them the munch chocolate. Whenever they will come to the campus, you will be given a chocolate party. Copy kariye. Come on. Yes, intersection is negative. No, Kit Kat is not good, beta. It's not good for children. It creates more cavity. Munch is okay. It's crunchy as well. Okay. Munch is more crunchy than Kit Kat. Okay. Dairy milk chalega. No problem. So I hope it's clear to you, bacho. Once more, one girl is asking me, sir, will you repeat it? Okay, beta. See, I will repeat. Force on a body is depending upon the time, like 3t minus 12. So we will feel we have to plot the graph over the y and x axis, where f is to be taken on y and t is to be taken on x axis. So it will be ft curve. So this is looking like mx minus c. C will be downside and slope is positive like this. Theta is acute angle. So this is the right curve. See, the one more. Note down the next question. If displacement s of a particle depends upon time as s equal to 2t square, ये काम करिए 3t square, means body का displacement time पर कैसे depend कर रहा है 3t square. Then plot its velocity time curve. Okay, how its velocity time curve will be. Come on. Solve this question. 1 minute for you all. All of you should write. Remember, velocity is the rate of change of displacement, ds by dt. So tell me an idea how we will do this. Kindly text how we should proceed. First differentiate. Okay. So we will get the velocity. Nice. That's the line equation. What is the slope of line? Six. Good. Good. Fine. Take it, beta. It's nice. Okay. So most of you are getting this. I'm happy with your performance, beta. You're going well. See, displacement is the function of time. What I required? Velocity, which is ds upon dt, means rate of change of displacement is called the velocity, means in 1 second how much particle is getting displaced, that is called its velocity. So by that logic, if I differentiate, you know differentiation, 3 is the coefficient, will come out, and t square with respect to t is 2t. So what is the velocity? 60. Now can you see, we need the graph between velocity and time. So this is something like, if I take the v on y and time on the x, how the graph will come. So the graph will come like this. This way, because this is y, this is x. It's something like y equal to mx. So when x is 0, y is 0. So time is 0, v is 0. This is theta. What is the tan theta, which we call the slope? Come on. This is 6. Any problem? Copy this. Okay, we'll take one more example, don't worry. See beta, velocity is what? Rate of change of displacement. This is differentiation. S is given function of time, 3t square. Coefficients will come out, 3. And t square differentiation with respect to t is 2t. 3 2s are 6. So velocity, I have to plot with the time. T equal to 0, velocity 0. T equals to 1, velocity 6. T is 2, velocity is 12. So now it's something like y equals to mx, means v proportional to t. The graph of this will be like a straight line which is passing through the origin. Why are you feeling like v and t? Actually, it is y and x. A line is passing through origin because y की जगह पर क्या है? What is at the place of y? Velocity. What is at the place of x? Time. Okay. Vivo wants my name. Okay. What is my name, बच्चों? Tell to this Mr. Vivo. Okay. So shall we clean it now? Fine. Deepak Sharma. Yes, you're right. अब देखो बेटे एक क्वेश्चन और लेते हैं. एक बच्ची ने पूछा मुझसे, सर कैन यू प्लॉट वन मोर क्वेश्चन. Question number 7. If velocity, note down with me, of a particle depends upon time as v equal to t square minus 2t. Sorry, not 2t. T square minus 3t plus 4. Suppose this is the velocity of a particle at time t. Then plot its AT curve. AT curve means what? A stands for what? Acceleration. And T stands for time. Yes, that is linear, I do know. But you plot it, how it will be, with positive slope, negative slope, or positive intersection or negative intersection. Come on. 2 minutes for you. Yes, acceleration is rate of change of velocity. You are right. Correct term. Fine. So see बच्चों, इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? Answer. First of all, we will write answer, because without writing it, answer will not start. So acceleration is what? You might be knowing. Your teachers in 9th and 10th standard were discussing about the kinematics in 9th or 10th maybe, that acceleration is rate of change of velocity, bachcho. It means what? You will differentiate. So t square differentiation with the t is 2t. I'm going with direct now, okay? And feeling you have learned the differentiation as you told me. Minus 3t. So 3 is the coefficient, t with respect to t is 1. So I got this equation for the acceleration. So I want to plot acceleration is suppose on the y, time is suppose on the x. That is a tradition generally, beta, in physics. Nobody will prescribe you for this. It is understood that time is always taken to be along the x, and the second parameter has to be taken along the y. So here acceleration we will take on the y-axis. So no issue. At this screen is 2t minus 3. So here on the y we are having acceleration, on the x we have time. Beta, how this equation looks like? Y equal to mx minus c. So slope is positive, intersection is negative. This will be like this. Okay, if we say it's theta, so you know what is the slope here? 2. So how much angle it will make? Tan inverse 2. Copy this, come on. Aman is asking how you got this equation, sir. This I got by the differentiation. See beta, the equation was, 1 minute. A is 2t minus 3. Okay, because the equation what I was having for the velocity once confirmed, that was t square minus 3t plus 4, because third term is a constant, constant differentiation is 0. T square is 2t, 3t ka differentiation 3. Was the same equation? Yes, Lalit, we will, but it's not nothing wrong if you learn this with the same seriousness here. The same equation it was, Azam Ali Saif, once confirmed for the velocity. Okay, fine. Nice. So anyways, this is the application, means how we will be having the questions in physics. अब एक काम करिए. Question number 1. Suppose I have an equation v equal to 4t plus 6. इसको plot करिए. How it will be? Velocity time relation. Suppose one question comes, acceleration of a body is minus 2t plus 6. How the graph will be? Come on. A is on the y, t on the x you have to take. Here velocity and time. कैसी लाइन्स आएंगी जरा बताइए? See their slopes and intersection. Plot these equations. This is mx plus c. Okay, so slope will be positive. Intersection is also positive. How the line? This way. First answer. Second, slope is negative. Intersection is positive. Slope negative ka matlab line will make an obtuse angle, but it will cut over the plus y axis. So the line will be like this. See, theta is more than 90. So that tan theta will be negative, but intersection is positive. This 6. Okay, copy करिए इसको. Come on. Next DPP or the next assignment will be over the graphs associated with the physics requirement. Okay, this type of questions I will give you. जो हमने आपको दिया है assignment वो हम कल discuss करेंगे. Please keep it with you. I will also bring it. All 27 questions you work out. I will speak up the numbers here. Whatever your doubts are, you just tell me. Okay. Fine. So I will give you the another question. Shall I clean it now? Okay. Suppose here is a child. What's the name of this character? Raju. Because it is having 2 ears. Okay. In Dholakpur, he is staying along with the friends Chutki, Dholu, Bholu, Kalia, and the complete gang. And one day he was playing with the ball. He is throwing the ball with the speed of u. Ball will go up, 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 and then will come back. This is the highest point. Okay, because if you will throw some velocity, sorry, you will throw some object with a velocity, then what happens? It will go to the high, and then finally at the highest point, it will stop. Why it is the highest point? Because it will not go beyond that point. Who was taking it? Velocity. So at the highest point, velocity reduces to 0. Then what happens? G will bring it down, 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 and it will hit back the ground. Okay. So now at the highest point, we can say for an instant, velocity becomes 0. Right? So velocity becomes 0 for a small instant. Now I want velocity graph for this VT curve. How the curve will be. Options are there with you. I'm asking velocity time curve. It's a very common question, bacho. In last 35 years or in the history of medical entrance of 40-45 years, this question has been asked at least 200 times. Now you will say me, sir, history is of 40 years, then how it can come into by 200 times? Previously, all states were taking their separate entrance exams, beta. Suppose we are having 3 states, so this question will come in entrance exams of at least 25 states. So almost 200 times this question has been asked. Body thrown up in the gravity, moving up, coming down, then what is this? VT graph, option A. Will keep on increasing. Option B, increasing, then decreasing. Okay. Option C, decreasing, then increasing. And option D, it will keep on decreasing. Come on. Copy the question, think of the option, and answer it to me. Come on. We are throwing. Remember, gravity is acting always downwards. If we are throwing a stone up, who is stopping it? Gravity. Then only it will retard and come back. Na? Think of it. Don't be in a hurry, beta. Take your time. 2 minutes I am giving you. 9:44, 9:46 I will interact with you. Come on. Okay. My dear children, which is the right option? Velocity I am talking about. Velocity is a vector quantity. Upward direction is positive, then downward will be negative. Keep it in your mind. Speed is only scalar. Okay, still time is there. A, B. Nimisha is telling B, Rupa is telling D. Akshay is telling B, D, B, D, D. No, बच्चों. Hold on, thamba. थोड़ा रुकिए. So the right choice is, okay, let us analyze it, okay? My dear children, when we are throwing a body, we have the maximum velocity. When body will leave my hand, it has maximum. So means at t equal to 0, speed will be maximum. So those are starting from 0 location. They cannot be the answer because t equal to 0, speed should be maximum. It is 0, so it is wrong. Okay. So yes, can it be velocity time? No, because t equal to 0. Here also we are starting from v0. So this is not the choice. Now options left are C and D. Because in both the cases, when we are throwing the object initially, speed is maximum. They're starting from maximum. Now what happens? The body will go up, and after some time it is at the highest point. Highest point means what? Body is not going beyond that. Why it's not going beyond that? Because velocity becomes 0 there. It reduces to 0 for a moment because first it will stop. Actually क्या होता है बेटे? जब भी हम किसी बॉडी को ऊपर फेंकते हैं ना पहले, when we are throwing any object in the upward direction, if we attain the maximum height, it will stop there for a moment, then it will start falling under the gravity. So means both are starting from same highest point. Reduces to 0. Now, upward direction taken as a positive because velocity is a vector quantity. But now when it will come down, the direction is negative. Velocity increasing in the downward direction. So yes, after this, it will keep on increasing, but direction is reverse. Here it was plus, so now velocity increasing in the minus. So the right choice is D, not the C. Okay, because direction is important for the velocity because velocity is a vector quantity. First it is moving up, then it is moving down. So graph is this much, this one, D. Copy this and remember it. Take an injection, put it in your blood. This question is essential. Whenever a question is coming over the kinematics graph, most of the chances are that this will be coming. If we talk about the speed time, remember, velocity is a vector, so direction is important. But if we ask speed time, then the choice will be C. Because first speed is a scalar. It has nothing to do with the direction. So first speed will decrease, then speed will increase. There is no role of direction. So in that case, it will be the correct answer. So C is actually, we will write here itself. So it will be clear to you. This is speed time graph and it is right. And this will be what? Velocity time. For which one? For a body thrown under the gravity. Okay, Mr. Azam Ali? Right. Poco M2 Pro, you are not serious, beta. Sometime you are attending, then you are leaving again the class. Even though I will tell you, you are throwing it up, speed is decreasing, then again increasing, but in opposite direction. So we have thrown it with the maximum velocity. As the time passes, is decreasing, and then at the highest point, velocity here is 0. Because at this time, at x coordinate, y is 0, means velocity is 0 here. Then it is increasing. By equation also, I can tell you this. Shall I clean it? You want, Mr. Handsome wants about the speed time. Fine, beta. See, velocity has direction. It's a vector quantity. See, I'm standing here, okay, like this, in front all of you. If I am, this is my origin point. I'm coming to you, it's my plus direction. Okay, plus. If I am going back, this is the minus x direction. Displacement is opposite. So vector, velocity is a vector moving up. So means we can say velocity is decreasing as the time passes. Now again it's coming down. Velocity is increasing, but it is increasing in the downward direction now. So it's bt. Speed has nothing to do with the direction. It's only magnitude. 50 meter per second se fenka. We have thrown with 50. Here it reduces to 0. So it's decreasing 0 at highest point. Then further it is increasing when coming down. So only magnitude is considered for speed time curve. Okay. Why t cannot be 0? Which t? T is 0, na? When you start the motion, the moment you are throwing a body, t is 0. When you are throwing the body, it's leaving your hand, then what? Its speed velocity will be maximum. As it will go up, gravity will pull it, its speed will reduce, velocity will reduce. At the highest point, it becomes 0. Anyway, see, I will prove it for you in a different manner, alternate method. A child is throwing a ball when upside with the speed of u. It's moving up. At the highest point, velocity becomes 0. Why it is 0? Vector is nothing but beta. It will come in the coming days. You just learn it. One direction is positive, then second the direction is negative. Okay. Now see, maximum height means v equals to 0. If we are throwing a body, then at the highest point, velocity will be 0. Highest point means body is not going beyond that. Why it is not going beyond that? Because there is no velocity. Who is taking up? Velocity. So at highest point, velocity becomes 0. Anyway, so you know the Newton equation, at least in the 9th class, you might have learned all this. It is there in 9th and 10th. First equation, v equals to u minus gt. If we are throwing a body up, you know this or not? Newton's equations of motion. You all are 10th class pass, I hope. So in 9th and 10th, you would have learned the Newton's equation v equals to u plus at. S is ut plus half at square. V square is u square plus 2as. You don't know? COVID-19. Okay. So what you was doing in COVID-19, beta? Corona batch. Okay. I do understand. It's equally challenging for us also to handle with the corona batch. Online classes. Okay. I can understand your mindset. Now you please learn. There is a first equation of motion, u plus at. Okay. U called initial velocity, v called final, a is called acceleration. When we are throwing a body, na beta, object is out of our hand. Like we have a car, I can accelerate its pedal. I have a scooter, I can give the race, which is called accelerator. So its velocity will increase. After time t, it will be v equal to u plus at. U is initial, a is acceleration, t is the time. But once body is out of our hand, then what? Who will control it? Gravity, because it is not a scooter handle which we can accelerate and break down. Okay, or we can apply the brake. Ek bar body upar gayi, you have thrown it. What is the acceleration? Fixed. It is in the field of gravitation. So at the place of a, we are using the g, because in that case, acceleration, once it is out of your hand, will be the gravity. Now I want the graph. Suppose mathematically I'm telling you in the equations. Here is the v, here is the t. You know better how I can write this line? Minus gt plus u. Now you should feel. Feel is important. We can feel anything. Okay? By being here, we can go anywhere in the universe, right? V is on the y. It's similar like y equal to time is on the x minus mx plus c. is the equation of line or not? See, velocity after time t. So y की जगह पर क्या है? Velocity. What is at the place of x? T minus mx plus c. How this line would be? With negative slope and positive intersection. Finish. That is the reason this was the VT graph. Is that clear to you all? Come on, raise your hands and tell me. Manasvi is right. U plus AT and A is minus G. Medha, yes sir. Clear sir. Clear sir. Good. So this is the velocity after time t. I want the graph between B and T. So it's something like I arranged y, because B I am taking on y axis, time on the x axis, minus mx plus c. Slope is negative only, no? That's why we have plotted the line. It should be obtuse. Clear? Respond, please. Come on. Good. So these are the lines, mx, mx plus c, mx minus c, and all that. Very good. Fine. Take care. Jessica wants once again. Yes, we will do once more. Once more, dhoom machale dhoom, once again. See, body is thrown with the speed of u, it will go up, and somewhere it will stop. Who will stop it? Gravity will pull it down. Newton was our uncle in physics. He already told if you are throwing a body with some initial velocity u, acceleration a, then after time t, its velocity is u plus at. आपने पढ़ाई नहीं की बेटा. This is very basic equation, u plus at. When once the body is out, a is g. Or you can say because g is in downwards direction, a की जगह क्या लग जाएगा? Minus gt, because working like the retardation. So it is the velocity after time t. Now v is equals to minus gt plus u. This is similar to y equals to minus mx plus c. And line का equation क्या होता है इसका? Minus mx plus c का with a negative slope and the positive intersection. Okay, so this way two variable can be plotted. Shall I clean it now? Sir, until ball reaches the highest point, acceleration is positive. No, beta. Acceleration is always negative. That is always g, downwards. Because it's working like retardation. For that, I have to go in the vector, and I don't want to enter in that area now, beta. You just learn it. When the body is thrown up, g is downwards. What is, see, in your vehicle, you are having two devices. Right side, you call it accelerator. Left side, what you have? Brake. Is this or not? One is accelerator, which is increasing the speed. One is brake, which is decreasing the speed. Is this or not? So when body is moving up, g is playing a role. It is decreasing the speed. So g take negative. When it's coming down, body will accelerate up. So we'll take the g as positive. For this time, you just learn it. Okay. On the basis of vector, we will tell you when you will come to the class. Then happily, with a dancing mood, I will tell you all this. Okay. Fine. So now, one more important thing which will come in our use at two places only. One is in 11th class, one is in the second year, means in the 12th class. So note down with me, bacho. We'll sing a poem first. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, we don't wonder why you are. Means it's important topic. The equation of a line which passing through or which passes through a point, like a point with coordinate x1, y1 and b x2, y2. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. जैसे मान लीजिए कोई भी लाइन है हमारे पास और ये 2 पॉइंट्स के थ्रू पास होती है। इनके कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है बेटे? x1 by 1, x2 by 2. Then its equation will be y minus y1 x minus x1. Bas, you just learn it. Okay, copy this. So yg is negative, though it is moving downwards. Both sides negative will make both sides positive. Renisha, I will tell you. Let me complete this beta. I will explain. Just hold on. Whether other faculties have given you their phone numbers to you? So if you want, I can also give. My teammates have given you the phone numbers. Okay. Fine. We will give you in the end. Okay. But please don't call after 10 p.m. Okay. So this is what any line which is connecting the 2 points A and B, and you know the coordinates, then what happens? Equation is y minus y1 is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Everybody is busy in the different batches, beta. Long-term, seniors, all these batches we have. So we have a slot like week wise on the topics we are sharing and doing. Shall I clean it now? Okay. You just learn it. See, better we are going for a medical entrance exam. I will not go much deep in it because it's not mandatory as well and not required. At one place in thermodynamics, we have to write the equation. For that purpose only, I am telling you. Otherwise, in the complete whole 2 years syllabus, there is no use of this. Okay. So 2 points A and B if are connected, what is the equation of such a line? Y minus y1 is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. I will take one example for you. Then 2 you will be doing. Suppose this is the line. What is this equation of this line? Come on, first question. So now, what is this x1 comma y1? Yes, because m is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Good. See beta, how to get the equation as per the formula? This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. So y minus y1. What is the y1? 4. Is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So what we will have? Y minus 4. This is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1, of course. You know this? 2 1 ja 2. How much interesting it is? 2 1 ja 2. बड़ा मजा आता है इसको कैंसिल करने में. Y minus 4. X minus 2. So y is equals to what? Y is x plus 2. So this is the equation of this line. Copy this, please. Is that clear to you all? Raise your hands, बच्चों. जिन बच्चों को समझा वो हाथ उठाएं अपने. Nice, very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Theta is 45, of course. Slope is 1. So if any 2 points are given, Then equation of line joining them can be written as y minus y1 equals to x y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 into the bracket x minus x1. Joshna is typing some TIM. Tim means what? Kim, what is that? Okay. So shall I clean it now? Fine. I am giving you now 2 questions which you will work out. So at the screen, next screen we can go for. Okay. Bacho, this is a line. X point, y point, -2, 2. This is suppose y point 4, 4. इसका जरा equation बताओ बेटे. What's the equation of this line? Come on. निकालिए. Tomorrow you please bring the sheet what I have given you. आज हमने straight line लगभग complete कर लिया. We have done it, and in the coming class we will discuss tomorrow circle and parabola, and sheet over the straight line we will discuss. Okay, so it's enough time. Let us work out it. X, Y, x1, y1. This is what? X2, y2. So what's the equation? Y minus y1 is slope. Y2 minus y1. X2 minus x1. 4 minus -2. X minus x1. Okay, so it's y minus 2, 2/6 minus plus. How much is that? 1/3. Okay, so this is the equation. 3 by -6 x plus 2. So how I can write this? 3 by -x is equal to 8. This way you can arrange. 3x plus 8. This is wrong. Y minus y1 beta. Okay, fine. This is x1 now. This is y1. Y minus y1 is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, x minus x1. So this is y minus 2, 1/3, x minus plus. It is 3, 3y minus 6, x plus 2. This is the right equation. Okay, which will be like x/3 plus 8/3. X plus 8/3, why so we are writing? X/3 is also there, no? See, oh my God, you are doing mistake, all of you. This is 3y minus 6. This is x plus 2. Take it to that side, 8. X this side, 3y minus x is 8. You want the y term, then y will come out actually x plus 8, x by 3 plus 8 by 3. That's the answer. Okay, good. So you want the one more question? Yes. First you copy this. So the last question we can take. Shall I give you the one more question? Do you want the one more? Okay, fine. P is with 2,5. Q is with 5, 8. Come on. Find the equation. Solve karo bete. Work it out, all of you. La, 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 la. Treat it x1, y1, x2, y2. जल्दी करो भाई. Come on. Fine. See, x1, y1, x2, y2. आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो जिसको चाहो. तो this is y minus y1, y2 minus y1, 3, x2 minus x1, 3, x minus x1. खेल खत्म. So y is equals to x plus 3. Okay. Why this is 6 beta? You're doing a mistake again, Vaishnavi. Why it is the 6? Jonah. No, not 6. Y minus y1. 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. X minus 2. 3 1 ja 3. Cancel. 5 will go to that side. So how much plus? This is 3. It's the right answer. Okay. Done. Done. सब बच्चों का आंसर आया? All of you got this? Very good. No. Now no more question. You're asking again and again. One more, one more. No. Slowly we will learn it. Daily dose is enough. Okay. So now there are two things what we are going to do tomorrow. The assignment given to you yesterday, all of you will work out and put your doubts. So the numbers I will speak up and all your doubts I will discuss. Second thing, lines we have covered so far in the last 3 lectures. The coming 3 lectures we will be discussing the circle, parabola and ellipse. And the relevant uses there in the syllabus of the physics for as far as medical entrance are concerned. Okay, bachcho? Or koi problem? Assignment already I think it's uploaded. All of you got assignment? Yes. Okay, fine. Okay then, everyone. Tata, bachcho. Bye bye. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you very much.